machines and the robots. Nowadays, inside the classroom, rather than traditional method of teaching, teachers are seen to be teaching with the modern period. Like they use digital boards for their teaching purpose. Somehow, the communication between the teachers and students became less. Due to this, the burden of the teacher became less, but the creativity and the enhancement of their knowledge get decreased. Another ethical issue we can see over dependency upon the artificial intelligence. During the last year examination of grade 12, we can realize and visualize that every students were taking their mobile phone inside the examination hall. Due to this, their own self-creativity get decreased. Nowadays, if we have any queries about some topics, we generally go to the AI applications and search for their certified answer. But unfortunately, our self-creativity and self-analyzing capacity is decreasing day by day. Nowadays, we all are dealing with it. So it is some of the ethical issues of the artificial intelligence. In conclusion, creating AI would be the biggest event in the human history. Unfortunately, it may be the last and lost also, unless we may know how to use and minimize the risks of it. We humans oneself are the creators of AI and we oneself are the misusers of AI. Therefore, we can't give technology for the ethical issues. Now, I want to say that from the different perspectives of the artificial intelligence and ethical issues, we can see that major effects of the artificial intelligence is seen in the academic field, due to which the creativity is decreasing day by day and individual in enhancing their capacity less and down. Nowadays, we can see every teachers and students being dependent over it, so that their capacity of the individual teaching each and every factors, they can go and search for the online, but unfortunately their self-creativity and their job opportunities is in the high risk and high possibility. At last, while observing different types of views, it is far more better for the higher level students rather than the junior level students. For their mental development and for the mental stability, it is better for the higher level students rather than the junior level students. At last, think big, dream high, think big, dream high. Because we all have the application of AI, Thank you.
लक्ष्मी आमालाई आफ्नो प्रस्तुति राखेर गइसकेकी छिन्।